Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your not eligible for a live in your Instagram. So first of all, as you might know or might not know, that you need to have at least 1,000 followers or more than that if you would like to go live. So in my case, I only have 10 followers. If you have 1,000 followers, you will see the option of go live as you tap on this plus button. Now in here you will see live. Now in my case, it will not go live because I have like less than 1,000 followers or so. However, if you have more than 1,000 followers, you may go ahead and go live. Another thing is you can try switching your account to a public profile. Tap three bar icon. You will see account privacy under who can see your content. Tap onto it, make sure the private account is toggled off. Now likewise, you're going to have to restart your device, try again, and it will definitely fix the problem. If it's still not working, then there might be a technical glitch, so make sure that you have updated your application. Head over to your Play Store and then search for Instagram. If you see update, select update. If not, that means your application is already updated. You can try that again after a couple hours, see if you can go live, and it might work. Thank you for watching.